Welcome. Here we are back in our family's kitchen. And today we've got the blues, as in blueberries. Here in Florida, we're lucky to have an abundance of blueberry farms. April and May is harvest time, and we always try to get out and pick some berries. So today we're going to share a couple of our blueberry treats, biscuits and coffee cake. So let's do this. If your family is anything like ours, you'll find these treats are good anytime. Breakfast, brunch, lunch, mid-afternoon, late afternoon, early evening, whenever. And if you decide to serve them as an after-dinner dessert, two sippers you might consider are blueberry wine or a Blue Tini. Whatever you do, we hope you enjoy these treats. And like my sister-in-law says, you can't buy happiness, but you can have dessert. And that's kind of the same thing. Now that you've seen us with the blues, I kind of feel a little closer, don't you? Well, that's it for this time. As always, thanks for joining us. Please subscribe. And until next time, Nazdrowie.